Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. We want to look at direct variation for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you always receive daily updates. All right, let's begin with the first example. So we are being given m varies directly as n. When m is 10, n is equal to 5. Find n when m is equal to 100. All right, so this is direct variation. What that means is that m varies directly as n. This is the expression. This is the variation sign. We can change the variation sign to an equal sign by introducing a constant of proportionality. So this will become m equals kn. This k is our constant of proportionality. I have a full lesson on constant of proportionality. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, so when m is 10, n is equal to 5. These numbers are being given to us so that we'll be able to find the constant of proportionality. So when m is equal to 10, n is equal to 5. So wherever we see m, we will replace it by 10 equals k. Our n is now 5. This will become 10 equals 5k. We want the value of k, which is our constant of proportionality. So we'll divide through by 5. Divide here by 5. Our value of k would be 2. Now that we have our value of k, we can substitute it into our original equation. This will become m equals 2n. Okay. Now we are being asked to find the value of n when m is equal to 100. When m is equal to 100, our value of n is unknown, so we need to find that value. This would become 100 equals 2n. What we need to do is to divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2 as well. Therefore, our n is equal to 50. In our second example, r varies directly as the cube root of v. When r is equal to 5, v is equal to 125. Find the value of r when v is equal to 8. So the same procedure, we are saying that our r varies directly as the cube root of v. This is the cube root of v. What we need to do is to replace the variation sign by our constant of proportionality. This will become k cube root of v. All right. In our problem, we have been given r to be 5, v to be 125. So wherever we see v, we replace it by 125. Wherever we see r, we replace it by 5. So this is when r is equal to 5, v is equal to 125. So this will become 5 equals k cube root of 125. All right. This is the same as 5 equals k. Cube root of 125 is just the same as 5 raised to the power 3 of 1 over 3 as the power. So this 3 will deal with this. So what will be left is 5 equals 5k. We divide this side by 5, this side by 5. Our final answer is k equals 1. What we then need to do is to substitute the value of k into our original equation. This will become r equals 1 cube root of v. But 1 multiplying cube root of v is the same as r equals cube root of v. What we then need to do is to find the value of r when v is equal to 8. So when v is equal to 8, our r is not known. So in our formula, we are going to replace our v by 8. This will become r equals cube root of 8 because our v will be replaced by 8. Cube root of 8 is the same as r equals 2 raised to the power 3 of the power of 1 over 3. And 1 over 3 is the same as cube root. So this 3 would deal with this 3. This will become r equals 2 as our final answer. I hope this helps.